offer anything from a regular moonwalk to giant 1,850 square foot obstacle courses. We have 27-foot high water slides. We've got double lane slip and slides with pools at the end. We buy our equipment from 2 manufacturers here in the United States that meet all the safety requirements you can imagine. We get the coolest, most unique, funnest things we can buy, and we bring them to you. We do backyard parties, or we do large events like this for churches, schools, carnivals, school carnivals, anything you can imagine. Today we're out in Kingsland. It's a really big party. Most of our business is in the Austin area. Wherever we go, we make people happy. When we show up, they're happy. When we come to pick up our equipment, they had a great time, and we don't have to deal with any bad feelings. Everybody's always happy to see us. We pride ourselves on keeping our equipment clean. It's cleaned before and after every use. Safety is very important to us. We make sure all of our equipment is the safest you can buy in the business. And we're members of SIOTO, that's Safe Inflatable Operators Training Organization. All of our delivery drivers are trained. State law requires all moonwalk companies to carry liability insurance. Bounce Across Texas is licensed and insured by the state of Texas.
I ran across Bounce Across Texas on the internet and got in touch with them to order about, I think we ended up with 10 or 15 items. And I have never had a better experience with a bounce company. I've used several in the past. The nicest people I've worked with in a long time.
Hey, we're Bounce Across Texas. Lease a moonwalk today for the party of the year.